fit in somewhere amongst this assortment of an antisocial biscuit tin. The school is doing my head in, so let's smash the clocks, pull up our socks and roll back to times when there was nothing that seemed so clear. Let's smash the clocks, pull up our socks and roll back to days when everything was easier. All the days they go, now there's a new generation of kids outside the shop on the phone, waiting on cigarettes and alcohol. But this is all we know, borrowing time to dream about the lives we could have had tomorrow, a habit that started too long ago. So let's smash the clocks, pull up our socks and roll back to times when